morning, Rumfold. Rumfold, say good morning to the vlog. Hi, Rumfold. Good morning, January 2. Workout muna tayo to start the day. Let's go! Okay, so workout natin. Almost 30 minutes. 33 heart points, almost 500 calories burned. Nga pala, hindi kompleto ang araw nang walang kopi ko. Kahit 110 calories ka per cup, kailangan may isang kopi ko for the day. Hindi ito sponsored ng kopi ko. Mahilig lang talaga ako sa kopi ko. Sa mga mahilig sa 3-in-1 tsaka instant coffee dyan, comment down below ano ang favorite coffee ninyo na 3-in-1. Panalo talaga. So one question I get asked is how do I do a lot of things? So ano ba yung process ko in managing different projects? Now, there are a lot of software available. May Trello, may Mondays, may Asana. Medyo old school ako, notebook tsaka ballpen. Pakita ko sa inyo what I mean. Sakto kasi magja-January 3 na back to work na. Happy New Year, di ba? So this is how I usually start the year. By reorganizing and, setting new notebooks up. So I'll give you guys an example. So this was my notebook for last year. Actually, sobrang dumi na niya. This is the notebook where I actually planned out Project 721, yung merch brand namin, yung mga goals and objectives, mga collaborations. Yan, makita mo, Paulo Tomenes, Mary Bautista, nangyari yung mga yan, di ba? Ito yung ginawa namin together with Carlo and Daya. Ito yung parang framework namin for building the brand of Project 721, from the unique selling proposition, the reasons to believe, ano yung values namin, personality, target consumer, ito yung product architecture. So, buong buo yan. Ngayon, hindi naman kailangan mahal ang mga notebook, no? So, ito yung mga nabili ko from Muji. Ang ganda kasi tingnan ng notebooks nila, and may parang glass cabinet or parang acrylic na parang holder. Papakita ko sa inyo later. So, lalabel lang natin siya. So, itong notebook na to, pangalanan natin siyang Unbox Green Hills. Yan lahat ng mga plans namin for Unbox GH. Marami kaming plano dyan. May mga events kami at kung ano-ano pa. UCN, Unbox Creator. Yung Unbox Creator Network, for those who don't know, yan yung parang talent agency namin. We manage some of the top digital creators and YouTubers. Ito naman, Box Content Network. So ito yung nandito yung mga websites that we are part of our group. Nandiyan yung unbox.ph, this is hype.ph, at kung ano pa mga website na plano namin buuin next year. But wait, there's more. Talaga akala nyo sponsored to ng Muji, no? Dito, OP Games. So this is the crypto project that I'm currently involved in. Tapos noon, ito, lagay natin dito, YouTube ni Carlo. Diba? Kasi sayang naman yung mga YouTube channels natin. So itong notebook naman, other investments. This includes, of course, yung recent investment namin sa Sneak Attack. Okay, so yan. Yan ang ating mga notebooks for the year. O diba? Ang ganda tingnan. Oh, feeling organized. Akala mo naman, madami na yung nakasulat. Tapos ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, parang acrylic holder for the notebooks. So again, nakuha ko lang yan from Muji. Okay, now, ang gagawin natin for the rest of the day, I'm actually headed out to Bulacan dahil subukan namin kumain dun sa isa sa mga masarap, panalong Japanese restaurant ever. So kung naghahanap kayo ng tagong Japanese restaurant, that's like 10 out of 10, keep on watching dahil matutuwa kayo sa pupuntahan natin. But seeing as this is still primarily an unboxing channel, mag-unbox tayo ng sapatos na hindi ko alam na sa akin pala, na binili ko pala, na nakalimutan kong binili ko. And it's here. Nakita ko siya nung inaayos ko tong kwarto na to. Welcome to the Magic Carlo Bodega. Ang gulo, di ba? So we have cabinets upon cabinets, and we have just like a bunch of sneakers and toys. May nakita ko isang box dito na matagal ko nang hinahanap. Natabunan pala siya ng other shoes, so buksan na natin. Unboxing knife, courtesy of our friends from Sneak Attack. Yun. So as you guys can see, hindi to sneakers. This is actually a pair of slides. Whoa! So guys, ito na yan. This is the Jordan Slide PSG. And it looks friggin' weird. Okay, so yan. So yan ang ating Jordan PSG or PGS ba yun na slides. So as you can see, meron siyang parang velcro na pouch. Ito, so pwede nyo to alisin kasi may parang ano siya dyan. Pwede nyo gawing ikabit sa belt ninyo kung if that's your thing, or if you just wanna wear it on top of it as like, I don't know, like a small wallet of sorts or to carry loose change. Tapos elastic naman yung band niya. Meron heel protection dito sa likod. Tapos it looks like it's super soft. So nabili ko to ng June. Let me know what you guys think. Alam ko naka-sale na to eh. Nakita ko sa Nike podium that this was already on sale. That said, tara, punta na tayong Bulacan. Pakita mo naman yung bag mo, babe. Oh, kanino galing yan? Oh, shoutout ka kay Fiona. Cute! So, ito yun guys. So, yung Ganchan. Ito yan along main road ng Malolos. So, pag dumiretso ka doon, yun yung parang ano nila, yung tabang, yung tollway. So, katabi siya ng Shakey's, tsaka Eurobeat. Authentic Japanese cuisine. Laging puno yan. So, dito tayo. Ano excited ka kainin dito?
Sushi.
Sushi. Meron silang parang boat na malaki. Tapos sobrang fresh nung sushi. So, si Santa pala na to. Christmas pa rin dito. Good morning! Kopi ko. Para maiba naman, one of the most comfortable sneakers that I bought last year, New Balance Fresh Foam V11. Can you guys wave and say hi? You're on my vlog. Yeah!
Hi!
Hello.
Happy New Year!
This is your New Year's resolution, Carlo. I see you exercising.
So, I just finished typing out one of, I guess, the most nakakaba, nakaka-excite, pero sobrang may pagka-life-changing na letter na I've ever written. Hindi ko pa siya i-discuss or i-reveal ko ano yung letter na yun sa inyo today. But this has been, I guess, 16 years in the making. So, nasulat ko na siya, pinadala ko na siya, tas kukwento ko na lang sa inyo in another episode kung ano yun. Pero,